section we have saw that all the basic as identifier, keywords and some variables, everything we have saw all the basic. Even we have got all the knowledge about that, right? So from that knowledge today let us write the simple program, which today's section is all about basic program in C language. Let us write a small and a simple language today's section. So let us start, guys. So if you want to write the program, then you have to download the code blocks. I had downloaded it, so let's start. Even I had opened. So click on the file, new and empty file. So I had got that one empty file. Then I have to save it first. Then what is the saving? Before writing the program I told that save it. Why we have to save it? Then after writing program I will be inform you. So I will be save now. I had created one C program for this new folder. In that I will be save. I will save as basic program. So let's start the today's simple programs. So hash include stdio.h. So this is a header file. It is a library readmade file for this. So next is int main. So next curly brace. I had clicked only one single curly brace. I had got both as closing curly brace and opening curly brace. This is the important thing for saving the program, because if we didn't save it then we won't get the both the curly open and close. If I had saved it then automatically I will be get the both. So next printf. Inside printf double quoted, let us write hello world. So after writing this we have to give the semicolon. So now the program is completed. If I didn't give the semicolon, then we will get one message as an error. I will be compile it. See. So now I had got an error. Why? Because stdio.h. I didn't wrote the .h. One, that is error. So next error, let us see. So in this I didn't give any semicolon, so I have to give a semicolon. So again save it as a Control S. So now let us build. As you will be see that I am clicking here yellow color. Even we will be get there as a build. So click in that. So now no error. If anything I had did a wrong in program, it will be give a one message. As you saw that now red mark, it will be shows the. So from that we will be get to know, yeah, our program is wrong. So let us now run. As you see there is green color as a down came red. So I will be click there. So now we got our result as a output. So you can be see here hello world as output. So then printf is helpful for what? For a displaying the result. We will be use the printf, right? So this is just a simple program I had wrote. By declaring the variables, let us write one simple program. Okay, this is just a simple program. So then it is, so I will be shows that this is a library function, readmade function. I can be tell hash include stdio.h. Even we call as header file. For better information I had wrote that. Then printf it is used for, we will be used for displaying the output. So then it is you will be get, I hope that curly brace, open curly and a close curly. Even I will be write that open curly brace and this is a close curly brace. So Control C, Control V, then it is close the curly brace. So this is our simple program today's. I hope that you had understood. This is just nothing but simple program, right? This is open curly brace, and printf it is used for helpful for displaying the output, guys, right? It is a header file, it is ready-made. So even so let us write another program for a simple, right? So if you want to write another program, then click on file, again new, again empty. We will be get another file as empty. Then first our duty is to save the program, right? So let us save the program. Basic program 2, right? Yes. Then now our duty is to compulsory we have to write it hash include stdio.h. So next int main. So next curly brace, open curly and close curly. If you had saved it the program, if you click the only single curly brace, then automatically you will be get both open and curly brace. So I will declare the one variable as a comma b. So next sum means now I am going to do the addition of a program, how to add it, right? So this is a declaration of variables. I had wrote that a and b sum. If you want you can be take your x, y, whatever you needed, you can be take that. So next we had declared down, then we have to give the value for it, right? A equal to 10 I had give, whichever number you needed you can be give. I gave that like this. So now we wrote the declaration of program, value of the program. So now our duty is to write the formula for sum. Sum means addition, as you know. Sum equal to a plus b. Semicolon is compulsory. If we didn't give the semicolon, then automatically we will get the error. Then now we will wrote, then we have to get the output, right? For output we have to write the print f. Inside print f double quoted sum, we can be write some percentage divide. Why I had wrote percentage d means we had taken here int, right? In last videos we have saw all about this int, float, what we will be take for the this. If float, percentage f format is there. For int, percentage d we will be take, then double quoted, then comma. What we want to take, what we want to display the result as sum. We needed the sum of a plus b, right? Then write here sum. If I had wrote after some semicolon, right? This is our program. If I had wrote here big S, then I had wrote here small s, we will be get a error, right? Let us see that error. How? See here. Here I had wrote big small, then here s I had wrote big. It is wrong. Anyway we have to write only one capital or a small letter we have to write. Let us build it. No error. So our program is right? So let us run this program. 30 we had got the result as output, we can be tell as a 30. I hope that you will be seeing this. Sum is 30, right? Whatever you will be write here, it will be displayed as a sum is, or sum is sum of, you can be tell sum of a and b. So let's see how it will be display. So in printf, what will you be written? It will be a display automatically. As I hope that you will be seeing sum of a and b, right? If I had only give sum of a and b is or only sum we had gave. Even it will be displayed as only sum, right? Yeah, you will be seeing this as a sum. We had got the display output as sum is 30, right? So this is a simple, just a simple program. This is variable declaration, del. So this is a declaration. Then values, we had gave it values. It is a values, both are values. Then it is formula. We had got that formula, how to write, for which if simple program, or we can be take that simple interest program, for that example will be different, then formula will be different, right guys? Then at that time formula will be differ from from, as you know, it is a header file, right? Open and curly brace. This is our program today sections. Even so this is all about today's section. It is error coming because I had wrote this here declarations. We can be take here as, I hope that it is no needed, because for your understanding I had wrote where you will be get to know that what is declaration, values, formula, right? So this is all about today's section. I hope that you had got how we have to do the programs, how we have to write the programs, right guys? Yeah, this is all about today's sections. Even I can be write this declaration on a comment line. In next section we will be get to know how we have to write in a comment line. So this is all about today's section, how to declare. We have saw the two example, one simple program and another declaration of a program as a sum we have saw. Even we had wrote the formula, we had took the displays 10 plus 20, we got the 30 as our output. So this is all about a simple program. I hope that by giving the example in Lappy, it will be automatically set on our mind. So I hope that you had got all the knowledge about today's section. Just to example, as a basic example it is. Hope that you had got all the informations today. So thank you for watching my videos.